Let's explore the best flooring options for every season. In winter, nothing beats the cozy warmth of carpet underfoot, perfect for those cold mornings. Carpet adds insulation, keeping your home warm and reducing energy costs while providing a soft, comfortable surface for your family. No matter the season, there's a flooring option that will enhance your home's beauty and functionality. Whether you're looking for warmth, durability, or style, the right flooring makes your home a welcoming space year-round. In the USA, where every season brings something new, make sure your flooring is ready for whatever comes next. Choose the perfect flooring for every season and enjoy a home that's always in style, always comfortable, and always ready for you. Get 5% off by using the code GARY5%. Take advantage of a generous 5% discount on orders over $1,000 when you use the code GARY5% at checkout. This exclusive offer is too good to pass up. Follow us on social media for the latest updates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more flooring inspiration. Shop online at www.genixflooring.com. Until next time, stay connected.